Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do an integration between Prestashop and odoo. And this integration will import product and category and customer and sales order from Prestashop to odoo. So first of all, we are going to install Prestashop e-commerce system. So in the first step, installing Apache 2. Prestashop requires a web server to function, and the most popular web server is Apache 2. To make Apache boot up, we should restart it by stop and start and enable. In the second step, we are going to install Maria database as a database for Prestashop. And we should stop and start and enable Maria database to boot it up. After that, run this command to source Maria database server. When promoted, answer the question as following in the graph. After that, restart Maria database server by this command. And last step, step 3, installing PHP language for Prestashop. Then we run this command to configure PHP file in Apache. And make sure that you are changing this informations inside it. Run the command below to log on to the database server, and then create a database with the name Prestashop. After that, create a database user with a password. Then grant the user full access to the database. Finally, save your changes and exit database. And now download Prestashop package. First, copy the file and then unzip the file, and after that make a directory for Prestashop, and finally move Prestashop, and now we will give the permission for Prestashop. Create a file for configuring Apache and copy and paste all this information into it. After configuring the virtual host, enable it by running these commands. To load all the settings, restart Apache after all of it, and then open the browser by the IP address by implementing fconfig, and this page will appear. Press next, and after that agree the terms and press next, and after that this page will appear and you should press next, and after that you should configure And now let's play around in odoo and see some of feature of odoo. Make sure that sales are installed. Then click on Sale tab, and this is the Sale tab. You can create quotation, orders, and invoices, and so on. Here we will create a quotation for a customer with certain items. Then save your changes, and this is the quotation. After that, we will go and create an invoice. After saving the invoice, I will go and create an order. And for integration, we search for Prestashop, and it's not here. After that, we go for App Store and download Prestashop connector, and then take the file and copy it to the add-ons directory. After that, we install it in odoo, and then we do this step to configure Prestashop with odoo. Here we can see it's worked. First, go to Connector Dashboard, and then Prestashop ERP Connector. Import and update customer from Prestashop store to odoo and manage them using odoo. Import, update product category. Import and update category from Prestashop store to odoo and manage them using odoo. We can also import and update products and managing them by odoo. This is an example of imported product in odoo. To summarize, odoo with Prestashop can implement and do this benefit to our business, like importing and updating product and automate jobs and do sale order and other stuff.